remember in a Pilates class. It's the abdominal scoop. So drawing your navel in towards your spine, up towards your head, getting this hollow belly, Heimlich feeling, whatever you want to call it. It's this motion, drawing your navel in towards your spine, up towards your head, that you want to keep the entire class. No matter what exercise, no matter what you're doing, scoop your belly in and up. So this is for any exercise, the beginning of the exercise, the middle of the exercise, the end of the exercise, in line at the grocery store, whatever. Scoop your belly in and up, and then it's Pilates. So it's not just flat abs, it's really hollow abs. So drawing your navel in towards your spine, up towards your head, and if you think you're scooping, scoop deeper. It's this almost pukey feeling that you want to have the entire time. So no matter what you're doing or who you're working with, remember the scoop. Navel scoops in towards your spine, up towards your head.